Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this particular elephant animal over here. So let's continue it. So now what we'll be doing over here is like we'll be working with the eyes section over here. So I can just select the polygons over here. So let's select this polygons part over here. So I can slightly go over here, select this faces over here. I can slightly just push this up and select this polygon. Let's go over here, and also you can slightly shuffle this a bit over here, or if you want you can select this face, but this face will go more inside, or else what you can do over here is like we can just adjust this elements over here. In this way, this looks much better. And now select this polygons, looks good. We can slightly shuffle this, and let's give a bit of inset a bit, so we can slightly assign a bit of inset over here. I'll push this over here, I'll push this over here, select this polygon, and let's slightly extrude it a bit inside over here, and let's click delete. So as you can see over here, I can again go over here. Let's go into the modeling part, and if you need to put one loop over here, let's place one loop. Place one loop over here. So you can see there are many loops now out there. So if you are taking more and more loops, then it is very difficult to adjust. It's going to take time. So we'll try to adjust this with minimum loops. So let's try to adjust this. So if you want, you can put a loop here also. We need to just tweak this more over here. Just select the vertices and slightly just adjust it. So let's just adjust the vertices wherever required, because the vertices over here are not in a perfect form. So I need to adjust it slightly. You can try to place it in a correct manner. Alright. So you can shuffle this out if required. So we have this stuff for the adjustment part. We can do it. We can do the adjustment. Let's give knobs toggle over here. Okay. So I can slightly shuffle this in this way. And if you want, what we can do over here is like, I can slightly just push it inside more, adjust it. Push it inside, select this, push it out. Okay, so this looks much better, and you can adjust this section also if required in the correct way. Now the other thing over here is like, let's go into this and let's give. So before we add a symmetry modifier, let's first check this out, try to make it more correct over here. So we need to tweak the vertices, need to adjust it properly. So let's slightly tweak it correctly. Now what I can do over here is like, slowly you can just tweak it. So go to the top view and let's see, is it correct or not. So select this, slightly push this up over here, and if you feel that this part is coming out more, I can slightly push it a bit more inside. So you can adjust it correctly. Okay, now looks much better. So again I'll go over here and let's give, save your file once, and let's give a modifier called symmetry X, Y and Z axis, and let's just flip it, go into the mirror and push it in this way. So if you see over here, if you select this, press R and scale it and make it straight. So let's just make it more straighter and push this out. And if you feel that this loop is not required, I can just delete this loop. You can just delete it. Right click and let's add a cut and end the loop over there. So again go over here and give a symmetry, go into the mirror and adjust it. So now if you go into this view, you will see that you need to make it thinner from the bottom. So if you go into this and if I activate this stuff over here, you need to shuffle this more inside. More inside. Select this, drag it, okay. Also you can make it a bit round, so this is going to go inside over here. Need to just adjust it correctly. So just select this. Alright. So we need to tweak it more over here correctly. So I think we can push it over here in this way. Push this correctly. So you can see the tail is also be looking very thick over here. So we need to do a lot of tweaking work over here because we have to adjust this correctly. I'll go over here and on the ignore back facing part, I'll just select this, select this. Adjust it. Also we need to adjust this and make it look more round over here. So we can slightly push this vertices a bit up over here. Shift it up. Now if you want to see how it looks like, it's going to look like. So we need to do more over here. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.